Today's the 9th of August 2021. We have Vaneritori 3 stakes speed here in Jyväskylä, Keski-Suomi, Finland. And this is built by Kone with Sigma fixtures in 1999. We have also been to the stake SA here. Turned 20 years old in 2019. And our fight was here. The serial number is 69989. We expect it in 2023. Let's ride it. Oh, it deserves two rides.
Yeah.
I did only one in April because we tried another building, but
Yeah.
still have to try that one.
Expected by Jyväskylä, maintained by Kone.
Yeah. Sometimes I press the button in these after it's changed the direction.
Yeah.
So that you can see that it goes out. Yeah. Not just in Sigma but Delta and others like that it goes out. But you can also see it when it's arrived.
Yeah.
We arrive back to the first floor. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please also watch the sticky stay here.
That's